Hi everyone, today I'm going to review and unbox the Lectron 4000 amp multifunction jump starter. Before I come back, please click the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel. I'll be back. Hi everyone, this is the new Lectron multifunction jump starter S10. And the cool thing about this new model is now they increase it to 4000 amp emergency jump starter and power bank, so you can use this to charge your laptop and your phone when you are in the car or you're traveling somewhere. This is like must-have car emergency tool that you need to have. It's a little bit windy here in Virginia, and the thing is, when the weather gets cold, when you park your car outside, and guess what happened? The battery dies and you need this. And today I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to show you how to use it. This is really cool. The thing is, the jump starter in the past used to be like really big, but now they make it like smaller and smaller, and this is one of the smaller one, and I really like it. And it works as a power bank too. So yeah, let's take a look at it. It comes in a nice box. It's really simple. And, oh, look at that. And it has a nice case too with Lectron name on it. And this is my 2018 Toyota RAV4. Oh, look at that. And it has a nice warranty information, a manual. It's really simple, guys. It's straightforward. And the cable to jumpstart your car, and then the USB-C. Oh, this is nice. The USB-C cable just to charge the charger. And it has the car. Oh, look at that! You can charge it in your car while you're driving. So this is so cool. You know why? You can charge this while your car is running. So if your car dies, you can still jumpstart it using the same unit. This is awesome. I've never seen this before. This is actually a good addition. Usually it doesn't come with this part here. That's actually good. You can use it for your phone too, or your tablet, or your, I think the new laptop using USB-C. And then we got the Lectron unit right here, which is really nice. Look at that. Then when I oh look, and it has, I think it's a flash right here. Oh yeah, hold on, let me see. Yeah, I think it has, no, it's not. So yeah, so when we come back, I'm gonna show you how to use it. And this is where you plug the unit right here, like that. And then when I come back, I'm gonna show you how to use this. I'll be back. Hi everyone, since this is the Toyota RAV4 2018 hybrid, the battery location will be in the back of your cargo area, not in the front. So this is really tricky. So you see nothing, right? You have to lift this carpet, and then you have to lift this. Now you see nothing, right? And then there you go, there is a battery icon right there. This is where the battery of the Toyota RAV4. Yeah, Toyota made it pain in the neck for this hybrid version, but this is how you get it. It's being covered by this plastic. You have to remove this one first, then you remove this one. Voila! Now you are at the 12-volt battery location. So if your Toyota RAV4 is dead and you have unit like this, what you want to do is you connect the Lectron jump starter like that. You can put it like that, and then you put it like this. There you go. Now you can start the car now, which is really nice. It's already like giving me like a, see, when it's green, that means you can start and restart the car. So if this car is dead right now, you can go out here and go ahead and start the car. There you go. Now your car is good. Yeah, with the RAV4 it's a little bit tricky. If you look in the front, there is nothing. See? Nothing. You will not find, there is a battery for the hybrid, which is right there, but the 12 volt battery will be located in the back of your Toyota RAV4 hybrid. Let's turn it down for now. Okay, right there. So yeah, so since everything is good, we want to unplug it like that, and then we need, okay, to put it back you gotta put this piece first like that, and then you put the second piece like that. Now you're good to go. Yeah, that's all there is to it, guys. So make sure, if you don't have this unit, buy it, and I'm gonna put a link in the description where you can buy it. Yeah, this is very important, guys. If you get stuck somewhere and you don't have AAA like subscription, you know, or roadside assistant, you'll be stuck there, and with your family, especially if you're traveling with your family. So yeah, get this one. And the cool thing about this, look, it has a power bank. It's give you USB 3 and USB 2 right there. The USB 3 is the blue one, and the USB-C right here. You can use it to charge your cell phone, your laptop while you're traveling. So no power, no problem, just bring this with you. So anyway, thank you so much for watching my video and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. Bye.